Okay, all of this has an object to it. We'll talk about it. Timers, are you ready? Are you ready, Cutter? All right, ready? Sir? Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. As well as look at the knives, look at the style of what they're cutting. We have what we call woodpecker, and then we have wood chopper style. Both are different, and notice where they're hitting on the blade at. All right, that's an important part. In the bucket it goes. That's a 10-pointer. He's going to go for the shell.
Got it.
Hold it, Randy. Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead.